Jake, what up?
What's up, man? Welcome back to another video with 271. Today, we'd like to talk to you about our replacement coolant tank. I'm Jake.
And I'm Vlad.
When you pop the hood on your 11th gen Civic or Integra, you'll find that thin, cloudy plastic coolant tank sitting right there on the left side. Does the job okay, but it's far from worthy of what an 11th gen should be. I mean, you swap out all the OEM parts like the intake, inlet pipe, and motor mount, so why skip over the stock coolant tank?
The OEM tank works well for a while until it stains, yellows, or cracks from years of heat cycling. You've seen it before. Plastic just doesn't belong in a turbocharged engine bay like that.
Now, Honda did improve the design from the 10th gen. The tank is no longer pressurized, and it's also a one-piece design. So maybe it won't leave you stranded anymore.
Maybe.
Maybe?
In any case, we built something better, the 271 Overflow Tank, a complete replacement engineered from the ground up for durability, precision, and style.
Okay, let's start with the basics here. We needed this to be 100% drop-in fitment, so we created a mounting solution to tie into existing chassis holes. No modification, no guesswork.
We also wanted to easily tell the level just by a glance, so we added a sight glass for quick viewing right here.
Each unit is tested for leaks in-house, and then powder coated down the street in a wrinkle black powder coat, giving the tank a clean OE Plus look that transforms your engine bay instantly. Finishing off the tank is a sleek aluminum cap, which gives it the extra pop. The tank isn't meant to hide, it's meant to stand out. A simple, functional upgrade that says your car was built with a purpose.
And whether you're daily driving, tracking, or building a show car, this coolant tank will fit right in with the rest of your 271 engine bay upgrades, like our trick engine bay shrouds or a front tread tower bar.
No more stained plastic, no more second guessing your cooling system. Just a clean, reliable solution that looks as good as it performs.
Another worthy upgrade from yours truly. You can grab your own coolant tank right now in the description below.
So once again, thank you guys for watching. So, my car, right?
No, I'm taking this one, guy.
Come on, there's only one.
I'm calling you guy. Why am I calling you guy?
I'm not your guy, pal. I'm not your guy.